Okay, hello guys. I made a video about annual deposit bonus 2 weeks ago, which I was able to withdraw from, and actually I should have withdrawn more than what I actually withdrew because I actually made one of their requirements. So it goes like this: the annual deposit bonus is a $100 deposit bonus. You should just have to trade 10 straight days, and also you must make a profit of $200. Additionally, with the $100 which was given, make it $300. So I actually traded. I was able to make $300 before the 10 days, and I actually missed a day. So I was supposed to be giving $50 reward, but I actually got $10 instead. So this is proof showing on the screen. And if you are just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by helping me and also doing yourself a big favor. Like the video and share to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to make money online, and also how to get crypto updates and forex video analysis and other stuff like that. Alright, and the update about today's video is that you'll be getting a $50 capital from this broker, which I'll be showing you in this video. All you just have to do is to click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section and also in the description also, and it will bring you to this interface where you have to register to sign up with this broker. So once you get to this interface, once after clicking the link, you click on open account, which is showing down here. Once you click on open account, it takes you to this next place where you have to put in your details correctly. And paying close attention, as you can see, the first step you have to take is to put in your personal information by inputting your first name, your middle name, your last name. So scrolling up right here, you see you input the country of residence and your dialing code, which is +234 for Nigerians, and you put in your phone number by the side. Input your email, create a password with them, confirm the password, and select where you heard about this video and click on continue. So once you're done with that, you click on continue. The next step is to put in your personal and address information. As you can see right there, you select your gender, your date of birth, you put in your address information right in all these spots, and then input your postal or zip code, as you can see right there. So on the next part, you click on continue, and then it takes you to the last part where you have to select details for the trading account which you'll be using, as you can see showing on the screen. So you select the currency which you want to trade with, and you select the platform. As for me, I chose MT5. And next you have to select the account currency. You can see I chose USD, and you can see it brought the account type, which is micro, and for the leverage it's 1:1. And I clicked on all this agreement tree right here, and I clicked on submit for the final part. So after clicking on submit, you'll be brought to this place where you need an authentication. So for those who don't know what authentication is meant for, it's a Google app which generates code every 10 seconds. It generates a new code every 10 seconds. So connecting this account, this broker, with your authentication is to make it safe for you. So it's anytime you want to log in, you have to generate an authentication every time you want to log in to make things safe and protected. Alright, so showing on the screen is what the authenticator app looks like. So once you've clicked on the link and added to it, you can see I just copied the code from my authenticator and pasted it here, and I've been logged in successfully. So right here, since we know what we are here for, we'll go straight to what we are here for by clicking on these 3 lines showing up here and click on competition. After that, it brings us to this part where you see history of previous competition which have been done before. You can see showing right here on the screen. So since we know what we are here for, we just go straight to the latest competition which is available by C. You click on enter competition, and from there it takes you to where you create account for the competition. But though you click on agreement first before clicking on enter competition. So once you click on competition, you can see it showing right here. These are the details about the competition. So right here you select the account type which you want for the competition. So I chose MT5. After choosing MT5, it brought this submit option, so I clicked on it, and details of the account of the MT5 will be sent to my Gmail. You can see submission successful. So details of the MT5 was sent to my Gmail, which I'll just go straight to get later at the end of this video. So right here you can see for the rules of the competition, no ES robot use. You are not permitted to use robot to trade it, and the lot size, the maximum lot size which you can use is just 0.10 per order. The maximum order you can open is just 5 orders, like you open 5 trade 5 times, and you can only trade FX, metal, index funds, only those trade available. And the maximum, you must trade at least 10 days. Like even if you made like up to $1,000, make sure you must be active 10 straight days. So right here you can see for the price, they'll choose the top 5, and you see There's $3,000 for the first prize, $2,000 for second, $1,000 for the third, $500 for the fourth, and also $250 for the fifth. And the greatest advantage about this is that there are only few people that will participate in this. And if you know you are part of my Telegram group, a big congratulations to you, because I'll be dropping more signals this week to help us push this to make sure we get to the top. Have a nice day, guys.